Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make date fudge. First, gather your essential ingredients, including about 1 pound of pitted dates, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 cup of sugar. Next, prepare an 8 by 8 inch pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving an overhang for easy removal. Finally, chop your dates very finely to ensure they incorporate smoothly into the fudge mixture. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1/2 cup of milk. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sugar completely dissolves and the mixture comes to a rolling boil. Then, add your finely chopped dates and continue to cook for approximately 5 to 7 minutes, stirring frequently. Once your date mixture has cooked down and thickened, it's time to set it. Carefully pour the hot fudge mixture into your prepared 8 by 8 inch pan. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly, ensuring a uniform thickness across the entire surface. Now, allow the fudge to cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or until it is firm to the touch. For the best results, chill your fudge in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. This step helps it firm up perfectly for slicing. Once chilled, use the parchment paper overhang to lift the entire block of fudge from the pan. Place it on a cutting board and slice it into 1-inch squares. Your delicious homemade date fudge is now ready to enjoy. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and resources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.